I secretly had curly hair this whole time. In just 5 minutes, I got my hair super curly. When you have the correct machine, anything is possible. Just look at the curls. But tell me, you guys, is my hair super curly or am I just being delulu with this new machine? I'm just amazed how I've always had straight hair and never wanted to buy this machine because I thought it was just for her curly hair people. Who would have thought with just some curling cream and a blow dryer, I would get my horse straight hair into curly fries. I have a feeling that everybody that has straight hair is secretly having curly hair, but they just don't know it. Or am I just being hyped that my hair is curly? Let me know. If you want to see if your hair is curly, go ahead and click the link down below.